Hello, everybody. It's Coach Brazo again. I'm making this video on how to go ahead and find for the missing measures. So when you're given like the area and you're given like the circumference, or you're given anything else, then you can go ahead and find them on the circle. Because these are actually the most reoccurring questions I've been hearing. So initially, what you have to go ahead and do is that you have to be able to identify what you're given and then what the formula is. So in this case, we know the circumference is automatically 23 pi. And you guys go ahead and find the diameter of circle E. Now, if we're going to go ahead and solve this, what we need to go ahead and do is that we need to identify what you're given. So what you're given is circumference is equal to 23 pi. And now the area of what you're given on the other part, my fault, is the formula. And now the formula is equal to 2 pi r. So these two are actually representing the same thing, because if you notice, they both have C right here, and then they have it right here. Now, from here, we just have to go ahead and combine what we know. So 23 pi is equal to 2 pi r. So just cancel out your pi's, and you get 23 is equal to 2r. Divide by 2. And then r is equal to 11.5. And so from here, you found the radius. So a radius is just halfway through it. But a circle with the diameter goes all the way across. So that means I got to double that number, which is going to become, let me see. Which is going to become 23 is equal to r. So that's going to be 23 feet in this case. Okay? Oh, it's going to be a diameter, my fault. That would be your diameter in that case. So feet. Now, so I know sometimes they give you a circumference one, and sometimes they'll give you an area one. So I'm going to go ahead and work on a separate area one over here. So as I'm going through this one, area, let's say we make one up. Let's say area is equal to 64 pi. And so now I have to go ahead and look for what I'm given to the formula. So from here, I know my area is equal to pi r squared. And so I'm going to go ahead and just combine them. So I have 64 pi is equal to pi r squared. And so now I'm going to go ahead and just cancel out my pi's. And I get 64 is equal to r squared. Square root it. And so r is equal to 8. And that's the radius for this circle. Okay? Now, if you happen to be asked for, go ahead and give me the diameter, then yes, then you'll go ahead and double it. And then that will represent this whole entire part. Because there's 8 on the left, there's 8 on the right, a total of 16 for the length of the diameter. Okay? All right, hey guys, continue asking those questions. I see really good questions popping up on It's Learning. I see a lot of emails coming through. Kids are sending in their work. Great. Keep up the good work, guys. Got to go ahead and get it done. Finish the year all strong. Okay, guys? All right, so tune in next time.